Here I have the Titan 4M model. The first thing I should do is set up the stock. On the levels palette, I will add a stock level. This will allow me to turn on and off the stock block. Next, from the machine ribbon, select Mill and Default. Expand the Properties entry and select Stock Setup. Click on the bounding box option and use the manual arrow to select your model. In the selection tool and set the origin to the top center location. The XYZ sizes come from the setup sheet. Set the initial Z to 0.98. Then move the origin to the bottom center and adjust to 1 inch. Confirm the Add Lines, Arcs, and Solid options are on. Click the green check mark and your stock is set up. Notice the XYZ dimensions along the red block. You may want to turn off the block. Set the level to not visible. I will leave it on until my G54 plane is set up. Orient your part so you know where the upper left corner is and drag the origin icon and drop it on the corner. You will have to pick twice. The XYZ offsets come from the setup sheet. Here, the X moves 0.05, the Y moves minus 0.25, and the Z moves down minus 0.02. Select the shaft of the X or red arrow, drag to the right and type 0.05. Press Enter twice. Select the shaft of the Y green arrow, drag downward and type minus 0.025. Press Enter twice. Grab the shaft of the red or the Z blue arrow and drag downward and type minus 0.02. Press Enter twice. Change the name to G54 and confirm the Set as WCS, Tool Plane, and Current Plane options are on. Click the green check mark and confirm the settings in your status bar. A block of stock is created. Next, from the Toolpath ribbon, pick the Face option from the 2D panel. The solid chaining box opens. When facing, you do not have to select any geometry, so just press the checkbox. Load your building blocks tool library and select the 3-inch face mill. Set the spindle speed to 4,000 and the feed rate to 20. Pick the cut parameters and set to 1 pass. Set the stock to leave on floor to 0. Select linking parameters and confirm all the measurements are an absolute. Pick the planes and confirm G54 for each option. If necessary, use the Select Plane tool to correct. Confirm the coolant is set to flood on and pick the green check mark to complete the operation. Use the Levels palette and turn off the visibility of the stock level. Now is a good time to save your part if you haven't done so. Then pick the Verify tool. I like the Verify ribbon and turn on color looping. This allows me to see where material is removed.